Come on. Come on.
Get these damn parakeets.
Hi y'all. So it's my mother's birthday, and for her birthday she asked me for parakeets. You know what's funny? I always get expensive gifts while everybody else gets the half price gifts. I know I like to spend money, but can I get the half price gifts next? I'm just playing. Okay, so we're going to PetSmart to go get her some parakeets. The fancy parakeets, because do I still got the clip? I think I do. I'm gonna insert it. When we was in Atlanta and we went to the birds, so I'm gonna insert it right now. Slide to the left.
She was ready to do that.
Alright, so I done inserted it. So she's been obsessed with birds since Atlanta, and that was about 6 months ago. Because we went June, July, June. So I'm about to go find her some parakeets. I've been looking at parakeets since she has said it. So parakeets are $50 a piece. So I'm about to go get her 2 birds. And hopefully she keep up with these damn birds, because I ain't got time to be spending no money on these birds. But I am the only one that would've got her a gift.
So, wrong Garrix, that's why I'm the favorite and y'all are not, because y'all some half-ass motherfuckers.
Maybe I should text Rock, because he needs to send me his money while I go to PetSmart so I can get her cage. Yeah. So she wants 2 male parakeets. She don't want no female. She don't want a male and female. Oh, my grade just updated. Popped up on my phone. Oh, by the way, the semester is ending, and I'm pretty sure I'm ending with 4 A's. Yeah, 4 A's. So that should make the president's list. And if I don't make the president's list, I'm making the dean's list. But I'm shooting for the president's list because I made the dean's list so much. But off topic, that's off topic. Today's purpose is to go
get these damn parakeets
so that she can be happy, because these are what she really wants. And she been talking about she don't want these parakeets for months, and I be listening. Y'all might not see it today at her birthday, but whatever. But I am gonna show y'all a little inside PetSmart, walking into PetSmart, because why not? It's her birthday, she want these, that's what I'm gonna go get, because when I want, and I tell her what I want, my mama gonna go get it. I don't give a fuck how old I get. If I tell that lady I want this, that, and that for some day out the week, she gonna make it happen. That's just because. So I'm gonna go get these parakeets, and I'm gonna keep saying it, parakeets, because most of y'all can't spell parakeets. But it's cool. So we're gonna get her the fancy ones. I like the colors of them, I ain't gonna lie. But let me go ahead and tell y'all what the hell she wanted to name these damn parakeets. So she told me she wanted to name these parakeets Sean and Marlon. And I'm like, you wanna do the Wayans brothers? She's like, yeah, because I want them to be brothers. And I just bust out singing.
We're brothers, we're happy and we're singing and we're colored. Give me a high five.
That's the Wayans Brothers theme song. I'm like, you a mess. You really want parakeets to name them Sean and Marley. I'm like, okay. Raw named his dog Scar from fucking Lion King, so I guess it is what it is. But y'all know what? I should have fucking called PetSmart on Victory Drive before I went to Victory to see if they had parakeets. Because they said they had limited. They had a few left. So I'm about to rush they see, because if they don't have 2, then I'm gonna have to go all the way to Abercorn, because this lady wants parakeets, and parakeets. So PetSmart had 2 motherfucking parakeets. I'm gonna have to beat y'all ass. Real bad. Alright. Y'all know, we gotta show y'all the road. Deuce. So nice in here. Those are snakes. Where the birds? Y'all, so I had to buy the cage too because Rod didn't buy it yet. So he better see my $100. That's all I say. Peace. The pretty birds. I like fishes too. I hope he's not males because she don't be upset. They go one. Did she hit it? Okay, I got the 2 light blue ones. That was fun to watch. Oh, better be. Okay, y'all, so I have the birds. I have the birds, the cage, the food. Because apparently, they won't let you walk out without having them. So I went and got them. Come on, because you hit me, you going to fucking jail. So yeah, so Raw needs to send me $100 fucking. Thank you. Darius needs to send me $20. Y'all can see a motherfucking bird cage back there. I'm flipping that bitch. Here go the little babies. They're in the PetSmart box. Cheese. So yeah, so we got her some birds. That was just my thumbnail. Don't mind me. But yeah, so she got her birds. I didn't get her the fancy parakeets. I ended up getting her the blue parakeets. So yeah, all the ladies in here talking about
Your mom is real lucky. What a nice gift to buy her. I said, I know, right?
I'm like, she's been wanting these damn birds since Atlanta. So I'm gonna get her the birds because that's what she wanted. I know, I told Raw how much the fucking cage was, so he needs to send me my money. I'll put that back in my bank account. I'm hot. If I'm hot, the birds gotta be hot. We hot together. Remove pets from cage as soon as possible. Oh yeah. So they didn't want me to leave out without having bird food, having the bird cage. And y'all, I had lied. I had told the lady Raw hair I got a cage because I don't want to spend my damn money on the cage. I wanted him to come back and get that cage himself. She told me, so let me see the cage. I went on PetSmart and Googled the motherfucking cage, y'all. I'm sorry, I Googled the cage. So she's like, oh, that's too small for 2 parakeets. I was like, oh well, that's too small. I'll just go. I'll buy the cage and he'll just pay me back. So I brought the cage and he better pay my money. Darius is about to give me some money because I just went and brought bird food. And these are the gifts that y'all was supposed to buy for her. Not me to buy, y'all to buy. So yeah, happy birthday to my mama. We got these birds. And then the lady at the cashier spelled my name wrong. She put Debbie. Do I like a Debbie? I'm telling you Devin, and I'm spelling out Devin because people like to spell Devin wrong. They spell Devin with an I. My name is Devin with an A. And I used to have this little thing in freaking elementary school. I'm Devin with an A, but I know Devin with an I. I'm Devin with an I. But I'm Devin with an A. So don't spell my name wrong. Because I'm going to get offended. Don't say my name wrong. I'm going to get offended. Especially once I have told you my name multiple times. And I keep telling you it's Devin with an A and not with an I. Okay, parakeets, we're almost home. Shush your noise. So, yeah. I don't want to hear nothing about they ain't got their money. Run me my funds because these are the gifts that y'all were supposed to buy. Then it's going to piss me off if y'all don't. Just let me know. And nobody wants to deal with a cranky ass me. I still ain't get a Cash App alert either. Just put that out there. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I will lie to y'all, but y'all know I'm too real for that. That bird cage took a long time to put up. It took me a minute to actually get it up. But I ain't filmed it. Just thought I should let it be known. Let's come on, shush.
You want to get over?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on.
Come on.
Look, there goes Charlotte and Marlon. Look, they're identical. How the heck I won't tell Sean and Marlon apart?
Marlon has that one. Sean is that one.
How can you tell?
The tail.
Okay, Sean's on the split.
Yeah, one of them is split.
Okay.
And the other one tail is.
Okay, Sean got the split tail.
And how do you like these birds? Because I spent $100 on these birds.
Marlon! Hey, Marlon! Hey, Sean! Look at Marlon and Sean.
Let them birds be great, Renaya.
No. To my new pets. Kelly, to my new pet. Yay! Yay! Just the bird. You like the bird?